Let's open this thing up. Punch. Ooh, dang, that thing crunchy. Oof. R.I.P. Hardo. This stuff is crunchy AF. I'm playing another later. ASMR. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, time to get to the unboxing. Let me just open these up and show you. We got 2 little bunny ears, a body, bunny head, beads. Hope you all have a good day for the rest of the day. I'm probably in another 5 minutes or so. One of my video updates. I'm gonna get